Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. Today I am back with another vlogmas for you dolls. This look was created with the Christian Dior palette. If you want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Okay dolls, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to prime my face. I am using the Angel Veil Primer for NYX. So now I'm going to color correct. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Tawny, and I'm also using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange, just the color corrector. I have mixed it with a concealer to get my perfect shade. I'm going to go in with my NC42 concealer from MAC, and I'm just going to use this concealer just to help with those dark circles. I love this concealer because it is basically like the same tone as my skin, so I always like to use it first before applying everything else that I'm going to apply, like my other concealer, which is a lot lighter. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealers and my foundation and get this beat done. Let me go in with my foundation first. I'm wearing the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Finish Foundation. I love this foundation so much. It's so creamy, so dewy, perfect coverage, love it. Okay, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in Cashmere. I love this concealer. I love the one on it as well. Okay, so I'm going to go in and blend in this concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Gotta get these brows right first. So I've been just trying to go real delicate with my brows lately, not doing too much, just doing enough. I'm going to use the Rumour 03, and I'm just going to use it to neaten up under my brows as well. Okay, so we are going to move on to the eyes. We're going to start off with the Christian Dior palette. I'm just going to use probably all the shades in this palette to achieve my look, or I might just leave out a few. That I'm going to go into is the darkest shade. And these pigments, oh. Formula that they use really nice. That was probably like the only matte shade. No, I think there's two matte shades, but the other matte shade is like a white, so it doesn't count. So there's not really a transition color in this palette, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna go in with this other shade. I just used that shade, so I'm gonna go in with this shade now. Now what's coming up now, we're gonna cut that crease, baby. And I'm gonna use the Rumour 0 to cut this crease. Like butter. I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that I used. So now we have these 3 shades left. Don't think I'm gonna use all 3 shades. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this shade first, and then I'm gonna add that on top. Gel pot from Collections. I've done my liner, and I really actually prefer using a gel liner a lot of times. I don't know if I prefer it because I always love my liquid liner. That's my baby, that's what I started with. And you know, it does give it that pizzazz, but I do love using a gel liner sometimes because I just think that it's more controlled and it just looks sharp. It just looks so sharp and it just goes so nice with some looks. So I'm gonna go back into this palette, my Christian Dior palette, and I'm gonna go into this shade here. It's a really pretty shade, and it's probably gonna be best applied on my fingers, but I'm gonna try my brush and see if it works. Gonna go in with Myth. And knocked this look out the park. I used the Christian Dior palette, and I didn't manage to use every single shade. I think I missed out on this shade, this silvery shade here. But I'll use it again. I need to use these palettes more often because the pigment, the formula of the actual eyeshadows are so nice. They're creamy, you know, they blend nicely. I love them. This was another Vlogmas for you, dolls. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to come back tomorrow because I have some other fire for you, dolls, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you, dolls, in my next video.